Add halved or quartered red potatoes to the water and bring to a boil over high heat. Cover the pot with a lid set slightly ajar. Cook the potatoes for 20 to 30 minutes or until they are fork tender. Make good use of your time by cooking the kale while the potatoes are on the stovetop. Melt butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add torn kale leaves to the butter and cook, stirring often until the kale is soft. Drain the potatoes into a colander and transfer back into the stock pot. Add the apple cider vinegar, milk, salt, and pepper to the potatoes and smash to your desired consistency. Add the cooked kale and season with salt and pepper. Your family and friends may raise their eyebrows skeptically when they notice that you've shaken up their Thanksgiving mashed potatoes, but we assure you that once they dig in, they will be asking you to share the recipe for salt and vinegar kale mashed potatoes.